how's it going? What's up, guys? Alright, today, do a real quick video, real fast one, on how to put this in. I know what you're thinking. I've never seen a white box anywhere on a Mini Cooper. What's inside the box? In here we got a brand new cabin air filter, which on a lot of cars is not easy to replace. On the Mini Cooper, luckily, very easy. On all the MK1 and MK2 models, it's passenger side of the car underneath the dash, just a couple clips. On some models it's screws, mine is clips on the 2004 Mini Cooper S. Pop that guy down with either clips or screws, pull the filter down, pull it out because it kind of goes along the bottom and then up, so you gotta undo it and then pull it straight down and slide your new one right in, and it's literally that easy. It'll take like a couple seconds, so I'm gonna do that real quick, show you guys how to do it. Filter comes down. See how gross that filter is. Pretty disgusting filter, so that's why we're replacing it. That's what it should look like. So if you're getting real bad smells and you turn heater AC on, you want to replace this, so let's shove the new one in there. So it's tough to see, I got the light on now. There's those grooves along that whole side. That's where the air filter goes, right up in here. So you gotta make sure you slide it in that track. It goes all the way up to the top. It's really hard for me to get a good shot of this, but once you line it up in the tracks, you know, kind of just push with both hands, one from the end and one up, pushing it up, and it slides in pretty easily. Alright guys, so I just finished putting the cabin air filter in my Mini Cooper. Pretty easy, quick job. Only thing is I would recommend flashlight and safety glasses, just because you're underneath there pulling the filter out. There's a bunch of bullshit falling out of that guy all over your face. So glasses would be nice, and maybe a screwdriver. Those are really the only three things you need. I didn't need a screwdriver because mine was just clips. Be careful with those clips because they're a little bit fragile. But yes, if your AC or heater is smelling funky, smelling a little weird, take a peek at that filter, see if it's gross, change it out. The new filter was like $14 or something, so it's worth doing if your car has some miles on it, or if your heater or AC are smelling bad. So there's the video. Check out our channel, we have some more videos up, and we'll be posting some once a week, so check it out. Thanks guys.